All right. I welcome you. Today is 13th August 2021, and today is our maiden day, the first day of our 4 month access course. And the access course is structured such a way that um, we have a timetable that can cater for all the subject matters. So we are hoping to use 3 months to complete 1 month for project work. So you should be known or you have in mind that we are using 3 months, but then we are going to use extra 1 month for our research work and project work. Take note. Okay, before I move on, let me share my screen. Try and go to WhatsApp. Look for Mr. Silva. And then open the, please, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay, somebody. Okay, thank you very much. I have to shout a little. I hope you can all hear me now.
No, that's Miss Mama Sam. That's
let me see. Don't worry. I will mute all those who are making noise. Don't worry, okay? Good. If you raise your hand, I won't mute you. I will let you talk. But if you don't raise your hand, I have to mute you. Debbie, please, your mic is on. Make sure your environment is quiet. All right. Please, can you all see? Mr. Jeremiah, you can unmute your microphone and then you guide me on my going.
Right.
So can you see my screen?
I would. Yes, but I would like to share my screen, so you will have to enable screen sharing.
I will, but I'm coming. Wait, I want to let the members know one or two concerning the timetable.
Oh, all right.
So this is
that's okay.
This is the timetable. Once I'm done, you come in. This is the timetable. But it's not clear. I don't know whether it's all finished. Mr. Jeremiah, have you seen the timetable on the screen?
Yeah, I can see it, but it's not clear.
It's not clear. It will come. Then it will come. So you will share it on the platform. I just wanted to show you.
Okay, now it's clear.
It's now clear. Good. I just wanted to show it to you. We will share it on the platform. We will share it on. So it's 7 o'clock prompt to 9:30 every Friday. Instead of mathematics, Mr. Jeremiah will take us through general knowledge, general methods of education, and then classroom management. And that one will take 7 p.m. to 8. And then principles and practices and CPD and English 8 to 9. One of them will be on. Come on, who is that? The person before we continue. Please. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's move on. So, okay, I hope you can see it clearly now. So, principles, practices, and then CPD English will be done the same Friday, 1 hour. And then group work will be done for 30 minutes. So the next Saturday, we have 9 a.m. in the morning. Please take note. We are using 2 centers for now. St. John's Preparatory School. Identify who have to join St. John's, and then Supreme Academy is the second center. The tutors will teach from St. John's, and then Supreme Savior people will probably join Zoom in a classroom. So I will be at Supreme Academy. Mr. Jeremiah and Silva and our PR will be at the main center. So I will be helping those students in Supreme Academy to make sure we are able to hook onto the internet. All right. So 30 days we'll do math and aptitude. That is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then from 10 to 11 a.m. Mr. Jeremiah is the one taking us through. So math will be 2 hours. So we can use 1 hour and then 30 minutes for exercise. The rest of the 30 minutes, you can do group work or discussion just for better understanding. So general method follows, general method and class follows 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. That is Mr. Jeremiah. Then he's done with teaching for 30 days. So break from 12 to 1, and then English continue, and then principal also continue. No, principles continue from 2 to 3, and then English will continue. Okay, CPD will continue 3 to 4. So the baby will choose between principle and practices and English language on that. So group work, then 4 to 5 group work. The server is the one who's going to manage to record all the lessons, and then you are good to go. If you have any question, you can ask before you move on. So this time you can unmute your mic and then you can ask questions. Just for 1 minute or 2 minutes, so you can move on. You don't want to use the whole time. If you have any question, you can unmute yourself and then you ask the question. All right. Erica needs help. Mr. Andy needs help because their microphones are not working. They need help. Right after closing, we will continue with them so they can join us fully. All right, you don't have to waste much time. If you don't have anything to say, let's move on. Let's move on. All right. At this time, I have to invite Mr. Jeremiah to take us through. So today you'll be doing CPD and then mathematics. I will be taking the CPD, but I will introduce just the concept. I'll go through the document in a haste, just for you to know all what we are going to do concerning CPD. Thank you very much. And then Mr. Jeremiah, are you ready? Mr. Jeremiah, are you ready? Mr. Jeremiah, are you ready? A call. Yeah, hello. Yeah, good morning. Good. Yes. Yes, please. So we are learning. We are online.
I will need to share my screen.
Yes, I'm giving you the permission.
I hope you can all hear me.
Yes, please. Yes.
I am hoping that the host would be able to enable screen sharing so that I can share my screen.
I'm doing that.
Or make me a co-host.
I'm doing that.
co-host so
I'm
that I
doing
can
that.
share it.
I'm doing that.
Okay. So tonight we will start with the mathematics module, but going forward in the evenings during the online sessions, we may not do mathematics. We may rather do the general principles so that the mathematics will be more face-to-face.
Please, you are the host, so you can answer your screen.
Okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
It's not appearing on mine.
All right. So wow. James, do you have it now?
Yes, I can see it now.
Right. So we are starting with the mathematics module, and by way of introduction, the aim of this course or module would be to prepare you, the candidates, for the entrance exams into the diploma in basic education or the bachelor in basic education program, either UCC or UEW runs by distance learning. They have over, UCC for instance has over 69 centers all over the countries where you could have your distance education program. So we are hoping that after going through this course and writing the exams, you'll be able to get to be enrolled or admitted to read either the diploma or the degree in any of those centers. Then also we would cover all the fundamentals that you need to be able to pass the exams as far as the mathematics is concerned. It will also serve as a prerequisite for the math course in the diploma in basic education and degree in basic education program. So what we are doing is not just for the exam, but even after the exam, during your course in the university, you will need some of the things that will be going through in your period of study. So the mathematics module is going to have about 4 units where we will have numbers for unit 1, algebra for unit 2, geometry, unit 3, and then statistics. So today we will just take the first unit, that is unit 1, numbers. We may not finish it entirely, but we will try to scratch the surface, and then later on we will go into English. Is someone saying something?
No, please.
All right. Now, throughout the course, the 4 months or the 3 months, we will have exercises and quizzes and homeworks, assignments that we'll be doing. And like Mr. James said, we will also have some projects for you. Now, let's start with numbers. Let me ask you, what are numbers? In your opinion, what are numbers?
Excuse me, please. I can't see your screen anymore.
You can't see my screen anymore.
Yes.
Or is it your network? Because the rest of you, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, I can see maybe it is her network. It is her network. So let's pray that your network comes back.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so I'm asking a question. In your view, what are numbers? Anybody?
But the definition is on the screen, though. Your definition is on the screen. So can I read that one?
That one is natural numbers. What is on my screen?
Can I say that numbers are figures that can be used to represent any object?
Okay, thank you very much. I'll clap for you. Yes, who else would give it a try?
Letters that represent.
Yes. You said? Catherine, please come again. I didn't hear you.
Figures.
Number can be
All right, so numbers are symbols, okay, that are used to represent particular values or quantities. Okay, we use it to represent a value that can be counted or measured. Okay, there are symbols that we can use in calculations and what have you. I hope you get me.
Sure.
So now we have, who says no?
I said sure.
Okay. We have various and different types of numbers, and today we'll try to zero in on natural numbers, and then maybe we will talk also about whole numbers and a few stuff. So let's start with natural numbers. Natural numbers are usually the positive integers, positive whole numbers, starting from 1 to infinity. So from 1 until you can count no more, but they must all be positive values. If they are so, then we call them what? Natural numbers. So they exclude zero, they exclude fractions, they exclude decimals, they exclude negative numbers. So if you have a negative number like -10 or -12, it is not a natural number. If you have a decimal like 10.5, it is not a natural number. If you have a fraction 1/2, 3/4, it is not a natural number. I hope you understand.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
All right. So by definition, can we all read what's on the board?
Natural
numbers are the numbers which are, let's read. Oh, okay, one person should read for us.
Natural numbers are the numbers which are positive integers and include numbers from 1 to infinity.
Thank you. So they are positive numbers and they start from 1 till you can count no more. And another name for natural numbers is counting numbers. Is what?
Counting numbers.
Numbers. Because we can count them. Natural numbers are countable. And we can use the letter N to represent the set of natural numbers. So you have an example of a set of natural numbers starting from 1 to 10. And then we put in some dots, 3 dots to represent infinity. Who can tell us the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers?
Natural numbers start from 1 to infinity, but for the whole number, from 0 to infinity.
Thank you. So a clap for you. So the difference is that whole numbers start from 0, but natural numbers start from 1. But they both go to where? Infinity. Okay, let's try our hands on this small quiz. Our meeting may end in 10 minutes. I guess if it ends, we will connect with the same link. I hope you all get it.
Yeah.
Okay, so is 0 a natural number? Let me see. If you want to answer, please raise your hand. Priscilla, okay. Raise the hand first, please.
No, please.
How about you raise your hand?
Yes, I've raised my hand. I'm answering the question.
Yes, so please answer the question.
The question is 0 a natural number?
So your answer is?
My answer is no, please.
Okay, thank you very much. You are right. Question 2. Every natural number is a whole number, true or false? Yes, who will take that? Debbie, would you try it for us? Debbie, your hand is raised. Yes, Debbie.
Your
Debbie,
mic,
you raised
your mic is off, Debbie. Turn the mic on before you talk, Debbie. You can talk now.
Please, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
My answer is false.
False. Do you all agree with her?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Every natural number is a whole number. You're saying it's false.
Yes.
I think you should revise it. We said that natural numbers, they are the positive whole numbers.
Yes.
And now I have a question. Every natural number is a whole number. So will it be true or false?
It's false.
It's false.
How can you say it's false?
It's false because in the whole number,
Okay.
in the natural number, we don't have 0.
0.
But every natural number is a whole number. So if you take any natural number 1, is it a whole number?
Okay, I'm not getting the question.
Aha.
Is it every natural number, not
Yes.
every whole number?
Aha.
Yes. So it is true.
Aha. So I'm surprised the whole class was deciding to choose false. How can you choose false?
Aye.
Please, do you all get it?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Who does not understand?
Every natural
Please, I don't understand. Though.
Okay, so the question is saying that, or let me allow
Please,
someone
I don't understand.
Erica, you will understand. For you, okay? I want someone to
Okay.
explain the question to Erica.
Can I do that, please?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, Erica, are you with me? Erica, are you there?
Please, yes.
Good.
Please, yes, I'm here.
From the first presentation, the tutor made us understand that natural number is, it can be called real numbers, they can be whole numbers, and they are countable, just that it's infinity. So if we relate natural numbers
Okay.
as whole numbers, as real numbers, as positive integers, and so on, and the question is given to you as every natural number is a whole number, you should understand that. You get it. You get it.
Please, yes.
All right. I think you have gotten it now.
Please, yes.
Are you okay with it now?
Please, yes. Thank you.
Okay, so let me just go right. You I think you can mute your microphones now. So if you use set, okay, if you have the set of whole numbers, it will be from 0 to infinity. And if you have a set of natural numbers, it will be from 1 to infinity. So you see that natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. They are inside whole numbers. The only number that is not part of natural numbers is 0. So all natural numbers are also whole numbers. I hope we understand.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay, so you can see this set that I have just uploaded on the screen. Can you see it? Can you see the diagram on your screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
please.
it explains it even further. I hope you understand.
Please.
Let's go back to.
I'm not seeing the diagram.
You cannot see.
Maybe your
Yes,
link, it will come.
Maybe your internet. But like I was leaving that page also. Can we go ahead?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now the third question says, sort out the natural numbers from the following list. So we have 20 or 20, we have 1555, we have 63.99, 5/2, 60, -78, 0, -2, -3/2. So I want to give you some 2 minutes or 60 seconds. Look at the list very well, and then I will ask you to tell me which ones are natural numbers.
Please, I have not seen the diagram. So if you can give me the numbers again for me to write them down.
Oh, we have left the diagram. was this. This was the diagram. Can you see it now?
No, please.
It's coming, it will come.
But the diagram, I was only using, okay, I'll put these slides on the WhatsApp platform so you will have everything, okay?
Yes, it can appear.
I was only, the diagram, I just picked it from my files just to let you understand, because it looked like the question 2 was, so it has nothing to do with question 3. The question we are on now has nothing to do with the diagram.
So
Okay.
please, give me the numbers for the question 3 again. Sort out the numbers.
So the numbers are on your screen now. 20. The first number is 20. If you are writing,
Yes,
20. 1555. That is 1,555. That's the second number. Then 63.99. Then 5 over 2.
We are going off.
Then
We are coming back just in 2 minutes. When we come back, you are going to see your answer from your screen. So we are going off right now. Just 2 minutes. You come back, then you show your answer. Then we will continue.